Hi, I'm Marvin Pangan. I'm 31 years old. I've been traveling for about less than 2 years now. The adventure that I've done was Independence Day weekend last year. It was 2009. So I was heading a group tour of 10 persons. Doon lang kami nagkakilala. Yung adventure namin is sa Kalinga, yung whitewater rafting sa Chico River. Why Kalinga? Mas malapit siya. So by land lang yung travel namin. Basically, it's my first time to do whitewater rafting. Mas maganda daw kaysa dun sa other whitewater rafting. Hesitant ako kasi first time kong mag-whitewater rafting. Tapos, although I know how to swim, pero of course yung basics kung anong gagawin. Medyo ano siya, yung rapids niya is I think level 3, level 4 according to their classification. Medyo may pagkadelikado yung ibang rapids niya. May iba rin kaming mga kasama na nakasabay namin yung adventure.
I make a say.
Memorable siya kasi first time kong mag-whitewater rafting. After nung whitewater rafting, naghanap pa kami ng places na pwedeng i-explore. So, hindi siya kasama dun sa itinerary namin. So, may part dun na umakyat kami dun sa parang tuk-tuk ng bundok. The whitewater rafting in Kalinga was one great adventure.
Finally, a chance to boast your endless escapades. Sports Unlimited dares you to share. Adventure mo, ikwento mo sa Sports Unlimited. Send pictures or videos of all your ultimate getaway and extreme adventures and a chance to be featured in Sports Unlimited. You may log on to sportsunlimitedtv.multiply.com or through Sports Unlimited Facebook account for details and infos. Adventure mo, ikwento mo sa Sports Unlimited.
Thank you, Sports Unlimited, for this souvenir. I also encourage you to share your stories at Adventure Mo Ikwento Mo at Sports Unlimited.